How's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii live from LA, and we are once again going back to New York City. Why? Because we're going to be looking at the specific differences between Rotobrush 1 and Rotobrush 2 by one of the channel's favorite teachers, Quinn Murphy. Quinn is an extremely talented content creator that literally flies around the world creating sick edits, as well as some extremely dope VFX and stop motion pieces for a bunch of famous people and her IG feed. But first, of course, we're going to talk about Envato Elements. If you're watching this video, you're probably a video editor, and Envato Elements is a video editor's dream. It's a subscription service that gives you unlimited downloads of the most incredible stock footage, like cloud and fog overlays, aerial footage, fire, lightning. They also have incredible VFX packs, Premiere and After Effects templates, sound effects, royalty-free music, and literally anything you could ever want as a video editor. Just by clicking the link below, you will automatically get a free first month. You'll see that coupon for the free first month at the very end after you've finished signing up. And that's it. I use Elements literally in some regard every day. Quinn, the floor is yours.
What's up, everyone? I don't know if you've ever tried Rotobrush in After Effects. I tried it a while ago, and after like 10 minutes, I pretty much gave up and never touched it again. It was not fun. And now we have Rotobrush 2, which just came out in After Effects beta. And I know Josh made some videos on Rotobrush 2 already, which you should definitely check out. But I really wanted to take some raw footage and actually compare Rotobrush 1 and Rotobrush 2. Let's take a look. So here we are in After Effects beta. Now I'm going to take some raw clips and basically see how Rotobrush 1 and Rotobrush 2 just do on the initial render. So the first clip I have is of a boxer. We're going to take our Rotobrush tool and create our outline. And we're going to start with Rotobrush 1. I'm going to render out all of our frames. And as you can see, it's having trouble keeping up with the fast motion, and it has a lot of chatter, which is not good. And especially at the end, it gets a bunch of that background. So now let's head over to Rotobrush 2, render out all the frames. So wow, first off, it's a lot cleaner. It loses some of it under the arms there, but other than that, it's super clean. And here's our second clip. So we're gonna start with our outline. This has quite a busy background, so we're gonna see how well it does. Here's Rotobrush 1. As you can see, it immediately loses its outline, so I have to go in and re-outline everything. Then a couple frames later, it loses it again, so I have to go back and fix everything. And eventually, I kind of just gave up. Ended up with this. It's very glitchy, as you can see. It's having a lot of trouble with that fence behind him. And here is Rotobrush 2. First thing is that it continuously tracks. Super smooth. Has a little trouble with the arm there on the left, but other than that, it's super clean. And here we have a clip of a woman walking in the street with a bag. We're going to do another outline, also using the fine edge tool for her hair. And here's Rotoscope 1. And here is Rotoscope 2. As you can see, it's so much better. It's not perfect. You still need to go in and do some fine tuning, but wow, this is a huge time saver. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.
Quinn, thanks so much again for such an incredible tutorial. It's always good seeing you killing it on the East Coast. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I actually have 2 additional videos that you've got to watch. And remember to get your free month of Envato Elements by clicking the link below in the description. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, remember to keep it chill.